Esters are pleasant smelling substances. They have very good smell of fruits. They are used in perfumes, cakes, and ice creams. Let us discuss how esters are formed. Esters are formed from carboxylic acid and alcohol using an acid catalyst. Catalysts are substances which makes the chemical reaction faster, easier and efficient. Here an acid catalyst is used in formation of esters. Esterification is the formation of esters from carboxylic acid and alcohol using an acid catalyst. This is the general equation showing the formation of an ester. This is the carboxylic acid. COOH is the functional group of carboxylic acid. ROH, this is an alcohol. OH is the functional group of alcohol. R and R dash represent alkyl groups. Alkyl groups can be methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, etc. This is an ester. COO represent the functional group of esters. And the first R comes from the carboxylic acid and the second R dash comes from alcohol. Water is also formed in this reaction. How water is formed? From the acid group, this bond is broken, and here from the alcohol, this bond is also broken. This OH and H combine to form H2O, water molecule. Let us discuss some of the examples of esterification. The first example is formation of methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate is formed from ethanoic acid and methyl alcohol. This is ethanoic acid, COOH. This is the acid group, and methyl is the alkyl group. This methyl represent R. Ethanoic acid, in ethanoic acid there are two carbon atoms. Then methyl alcohol, OH is the functional group of alcohol. Methyl stands for R dash. Ethanoic acid and methyl alcohol react in the presence of an acid catalyst. Here sulfuric acid is used as an acid catalyst. This bond is broken, and here also from OH, hydrogen is OH bond is also broken, and OH and H combine to form water, and the rest CH3, CO and this group combine to form methyl ethanoate. This part of ethanoic acid and this part of alcohol, methyl alcohol, combines to form methyl ethanoate, CH3, CO, O, CH3. When you read and ester, read the R dash first. This is the R dash and this represent R. So when you read this ester, read the R dash first. Here the R dash is methyl and the rest. This CH3COO is for ethanoate. Remove ic acid from ethanoic acid and add 8 ATE. We get ethanoate. Second example is ethanoic acid react with ethyl alcohol forming ethyl ethanoate. Ethanoic acid, this is the functional group. CH3 stands for R and alcohol OH is the functional group and this stands for R dash. Here it's R. When this ethanoic acid and ethyl alcohol react, this bond is broken and this bond is also broken. OH and H react to form water and the rest CH3CO and this part of ethyl alcohol O CH2 CH3 combine to form ethyl ethanoate. When you read this ester, read the R dash first. This is the R dash, it is ethyl and then ethanoate. Remove ic acid from ethanoic acid and add ATE. We get ethyl ethanoate. Third example is propanoic acid react with methyl alcohol forming methyl propanoate. This is propanoic acid. Propanoic acid has 3 carbon atoms. This is the acid group and this is methyl alcohol. OH is the functional group. This propanoic acid and methyl alcohol react in the presence of acid catalyst sulfuric acid forming methyl propanoate. This bond is broken. Here also this bond is broken forming water molecule and this part of propanoic acid and the other part of alcohol combine to form and this part of alcohol combine to form methyl propanoate and water is also formed. OH and H combine to form water molecule. It has been found that an esterification reaction is reversible. This arrow in the forward and backward direction shows that the reaction is reversible. So the reaction can happen in the forward and also the backward direction. Let's move on to saponification. Saponification, sapo, comes from the Latin word which means soap. And saponification is making of soap. Soap is sodium or potassium salt of long chain carboxylic acid. And process of making soap from animal fat or vegetable oil using a base such as sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide is saponification. Here, animal fat or vegetable oils are considered as esters. So, saponification is when esters react with the sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. The esters are converted to sodium salt of carboxylic acid and an alcohol. So, the products are the salt of acid and alcohol. For example, methyl ethanoate, this is an ester, react with the sodium hydroxide forming sodium salt of ethanoic acid and methyl alcohol. In methyl ethanoate, this bond is broken. CH3COO group combine with sodium and forming sodium salt of ethanoic acid, and this part, the methyl part, combine with OH forming CH3OH, an alcohol, methyl alcohol. This is shown by the general expression RCOOR dash. Here R and R dash are alkyl groups. When react with the sodium hydroxide forming sodium salt of the acid and alcohol. So, saponification is the opposite of esterification. Let us see the major differences between esterification and saponification. Esterification is the formation of esters from carboxylic acid and alcohol, whereas saponification is breaking of esters into salt of acid and alcohol. Esterification takes place when acid catalysts are used. Sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acids are used in esterification. Whereas in saponification, the reaction takes place in basic medium. Sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide are used. Reactants are carboxylic acid and alcohol. In saponification, reactants are esters and a base. The products are ester and water. In saponification, products are sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid and alcohol. Thank you.